What's up, everybody? This is A to Truth the Best, and today I'm going to talk about electrical firepower and lynching. Well, this guy was recording, and there was like electrical something happened, and there was like electrical something on the power line, and it started like electrical fireball, something like that, and it just got like a lot of electricity. Something happened to it, and it just started making like a ball, and it was going all the way down to the power line, all the way down. It would just keep on going. He videotaped it, and the electrical, it was like in a fireball, and it was kind of crazy. And if I was you, I'd check out the video and see what y'all think about it. But yeah, it was like a fireball, and it was just going along the power line, and it was videotaped it, and it was like in a fireball. It didn't stop, and then it got to the power line, and it just blew up. And that was basically about it. So y'all tell me what y'all think about it. Comment, subscribe, like my videos. Check out the video itself, and it's called Electrical Fireball and Lynching. And basically, this guy's recording and just, I don't know how that happened. Like, guess it's like LG&E, like doesn't like it's gonna cost some money and stuff like that for LG&E, because it's the electric blew up, so pretty much that's gonna cost a lot of money on LG&E, and people is gonna have to come and fix that. But I don't know how that happened, because I ain't seen nothing like that. I ain't never seen nothing like that. But it was pretty crazy. To me, it's pretty crazy. And you know what I'm saying, the LG&E is gonna have to come and fix that and stuff like that, and it's pretty crazy. I think people's lights went out when that happened. So yeah, people lights went out when that happened, because it was kind of crazy how it happened. But basically, just me explaining to you about this video, what I think about it, and how this stuff happened. So like, I don't know how it happened, but it happened. Electrical fiber, I don't know how this stuff happened. But y'all tell me what y'all think about this. And it was pretty crazy. Comment, subscribe, like my videos. But basically, that's about it. And it just thing just went to the power line, just blew up. That's crazy. But this is H to the best, and I am out.